Good morning, children. Today, introduction of playing with numbers, class 7 math children. Children, introduction is first we can discuss about the factors and multiples. Suppose you want to take children, 6 is there. 6 is there. So first you want to discuss about the factors. Factors of 6. Children already know that 6 having the answer. The number of 6. What is the factors? 2 into 3. 2 and 3 is the factors of the answer 6 children. 2 and 3 is the factors of 6. 2 and 3 is factors of 6 children. Factors of 6. So children, if you want to take 6 is the factor of, now you want to discuss about that. 1 6 the 6. Because 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So now we want to write here 1 is a factor of all the numbers. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Factor of all the numbers. All the numbers. Correct children? So 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6. Children, you want to take. First you want to discuss about the factors. 6 is the one number is there. So 2, 3 is a 6. 2 and 3 is a factor of 6. So 1 6 is 6 because 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Now you want to take another number 24. Correct children? 24 1 are 24. Because 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So children, now you want to take and any number you want to take itself. Any number you want to take itself. Suppose 12 is there. Here also 24 itself number. Now you want to take 12 is a factor of itself. Yes, 12 is a 12. Correct children? Itself. So children, if you want to take 12 1 is 12. It is a factor of itself. So how many factors is there? 12. First you want to discuss about that. 2 6 12. Correct. And 2 3 is 6. Children, now you want to take 3 1. Children, now you want to write the factors of 12 means. How you can write? Factors of 12 is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 12. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 12. See children, exact all the numbers having also finite factors. Finite factors is limit. The factors of 12 is 1. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. The factors of 12 is 3. The factors of 12 is there also 2. The factor there also 12 is 6. The factor of 12 also it is multiple of itself only. So see children, how we can write there also the factors of 12 is itself only. Children, now we want to take number of multiples is infinite. Suppose you want to write multiples of 12. This is factors is limit children. Multiples means there are also multiple of 12. So multiple of 12 means you want to write 12 1 are 12 2 are 12 3 are correct children, and 12 4 are 12 2 are 12 1 are 12 children, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48. And so on children. Infinite means never end. We can easily identify first number, cannot be identified last number, that is infinite. So multiple is there are also limit. Suppose you want to take 24. So here you want to take factors is limit. Multiples is there also non-limit, it is infinite. So you want to write the factors of 24. 2 12s are 2 6 are and 2 3s are and 3 1s are. The factors of 24 is 1 2 3 6 12 24. Correct children? And 4 also. because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is all the factors of 24. So children, factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, because 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 and 6 and 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. It is then also limit. And multiples of 24 means 2 ones are, sorry, 12 ones are, 24 ones are, 24 twos are, 24 threes are. It is then also never end. Numbers is never end. That's why multiples is never end. It is infinite. Correct, children? Children, we can discuss about the next prime numbers and then also even numbers. It is very important, children. How we can write then also prime numbers, even numbers, composite numbers. Shall I write children this one? You want to discuss about the next prime numbers and composite numbers. What is prime numbers? What is composite numbers? See, children. It's very easy. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Children, now we want to take prime number. Suppose 2 is a prime number. How? 3 is a prime number. How? 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a number. And 23, etc., etc. These are prime numbers. Composite numbers. Children, you want to take 4, 9, so 10, or 8, or 16, or 20, etc., etc. Here, see, children, the prime numbers is having only one factor and itself. All the number then also is multiplied with itself, and all the numbers multiplied with then also 1. It is a factor of 1 and itself. Here, see that factor 4. It is a multiple of 1, multiple of 2, and multiple of 4 also. 9 you can want to see factor of 1, factor of 3, and also factor of 9. 10 1 to take factor of 1, factor of 2, and factor of 5, and factor of 10. And 8 also, children, you want to take. It is multiple with 2, 4, 1, and 8. 16. It is a multiple with 2, 4, and then also 8 and 16. Correct, children? 20 also 2, 4, and then also 5, and 10, and 20. These are then also composite number. Prime number means those numbers having factor 1 and itself. Composite number means those number having more than 2 factors. There is a composite number. See, children. Write the definition. Prime number. The number having only 1 and itself factor. Itself factor. Correct? These are all prime numbers. Composite numbers, those number having more than 2 factors. The numbers having more than 2 factors. The numbers having more than 2 factors. The numbers having more than 2 factors. 4, 9, 10, 8, 16, and 20. Correct, children? These numbers having more than 2 factors. The number having only 1 and itself factor. Correct, children? These are prime and composite numbers. Suppose here 1 is not there, here also is not there, here also is not there. 1 is what, children? The number 1. It is either be prime number or not be composite number. 1. It is a prime number or it is a composite number. It is not a prime number, it is not a composite number. Neither be prime number nor be composite number. It is a number is 1. Correct, children? You can understand. Prime numbers is having only 1 factor. composite number is having there also more than two factors. One is neither be prime number nor be composite number. Correct? Then also it is a center. So this is over, children. Children, next we want to discuss about the test of divisibility. Shall I have this one, children? Very good. See that. Next we want to take test of divisibility. How to find the test of divisibility? Suppose children, now we want to take 8. How to find it? It is a divisible with 2, 4 and then also whatever any number. Now we want to check, children. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Children, you want to take next number 58. It is also easily divided by and 358 and 4 7 5 8 and 6 7 3 6 whatever it may be. And then also you want to take another number 8. See, children, this is single number, it is divisible by 2. This is 2 number, it is a 2-digit number, it is divisible by 2. It is 3-digit number, it is divisible by 2. It is 4-digit number, it is divisible by 2. It is 5-digit number, so divisible by 2. Children, how we can find it is divisible by 2? Children, is very, see that the unit number is always given means the unit place, the unit digit number is, then also even number means it is easily divisible by 2. That is the rule of divisibility of 2 children. Correct, children? Suppose 58, see here, 8 is there. Then even number, here also, here also, here also. Any number, not only for anything, any number you want to take. Suppose 49 is there. Here, unit place is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. Correct? Any number it is divisible by 2 means first term should be and the digit is even number. Understood, children? Understood, children? You want to then also learn then also divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3. So that is also 3 numbers. Then also you want to add it. Then also you want to take chance. 123. Correct? And then also how we can find? Then also children 636. What are very number? Divisibility of 3 means you can add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here also 6 plus 3 plus 6. Correct, children? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Yes, it is divisibility of 3. Here also 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 divided by 3, yes, it is divisibility of 3. So this is the test of divisibility of rules. Some rules is there, we want to discuss about that one by one. Then also we want to going with them. Then also in exercise or examples also discuss about that. Then only. Correct, test of divisibility. The divisibility of 2 means, so the unit place digit is then also even number means it is divisible by 2. 3 means you can add that numbers, and divisible by 3 means it is divisible means it is divisible by 2. 4 means as well as it is divisible by then also 2 numbers. Even number whatever tens place is even number means that is also divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 5. Those numbers, divisibility of 5 means those numbers having then also in the unit place 0 and 5. Suppose 5, 10, 15 and 20. Correct, children? These numbers can be divisible by 5 easily. We can identify because those number ending with 0 and 5, that number it is divisible by 5. Very simple. And 6 is divisibility of both 2 and 3. That is 6. 8 means those number can be easily divisible by then also 2 and 4. And 10 means those numbers can be ending with 0. That number all then also divisibility of 10. And divisibility of 9 then also it is similar to the 3. Those numbers divisible by 9. Correct, children? No doubt, children, here. So, children, next we want to discuss about that common factors. This is another one. Test of divisibility is over, children. Next we want to discuss about the common factors. What is that common factors? See, children, suppose you want to take, so whatever, 4 and 8, those numbers. Next, we want to discuss about the common factors. Common factors. Suppose, children, you want to take here 4 and 8 is there. Correct, children? 4 and 8 is there. How to find common factors? What is the factors of 4 is you want to divisible, then also 1, 2 and 4. 1 is divisible by itself. The number 2 is divisible by 4 and 4 it is a divisible itself only. So children, now we want to take factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct, children? The factors of 4 and 8 is, what is that? 1 is commonly having 1, 2 is commonly having, and 4 is commonly having. Correct, children? What is the common factors of here? The common factors are, correct, children? Common factors are, what is that? 1, 2, 4. Correct, children? So now we want to take 1, 2, 4. Correct. These are the common factors of 4 and 8, children. Children, now we want to take, what is that? You want to take another number. Suppose you want to take next number 4 and 18. You want to find CF. CF means common factor. Suppose you want to take the factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. Children, as well as you want to take factors of 18 means, already know that 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors. Already is multiple with any number, 2 is a multiple of 18, 3 is multiple of 18, 9 is multiple of 18, 18 is itself, it is multiple. Children, now we want to take 1 is a factor, any number, and 4 and 18 it is a factor of 2, and 3 and 4, no, not having common here, 4 is there, here not is there, 3 is there, here not there, 6, these are not there, 9 also is there, here not there, 18 is there, here not there. What is the common factors of 4 and 18, children? Means 1 and 2, that's all. Common factors, CF means 1, 2, that's all, children. Have any doubt, children? So children, now we want to take another example of this one. Okay, children. Suppose you want to take another example. 4 and 15 now we want to take. Here the factors of 4 is, write as it is 1, 2, 4. Factors of 15 is, children, now we want to write 1, 3, 5, 15. Children, any commonly having is there here? Only 1. 1 it is a factors of all numbers. That's why we want to write this one only, no one without a 1. Then also except 1, no one common is there, means it is a co-prime number, children. Therefore, this is co-prime number. Except 1. So not there any number means that is also co-prime number, children. Correct, children? Any doubt here? No. Children, we can discuss about that common multiples. Okay, children? Common multiples. Common factors over children. Children, next we want to discuss about that common multiples. So, Children, now we want to discuss about that 4 and then also we want to take smallest number. Example 6. Correct children. This is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16, and 4 fives are 20, so on, etc. etc. Children, as well as you want to take 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Correct children? And then also 4 6 are 4 5 are 20 and 4 6 are 24. Also I want to take children. So on. Here also so on. See children, here any having common multiple cells is there children. Here also 12 is there. Here also 12 is there. Here also 24 is there. Here also 24 is there. These are common multiples of those numbers. Common multiples. 4 is there. Want to write multiples? 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are, 4 sixes are. As well as you want to take 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 4. Correct children? These are also complete. Children, next you want to take prime factorization. What is that prime factorization? See children. So next is prime factorization. Correct children? Children, now you want to take prime factorization. Suppose one number is there children, 90 is there. Correct. How to find out the prime factorization children? Now you want to write here. This is 10. 10 nines are 90. And this 10 also you want to write children. Suppose here also 2 and here also 5. Because these are 5 numbers, you can leave it. See children, here also you want to write 3 threes are 9. Children, you want to write prime factors of 90 is, already know that one is a factor of all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 9, and 10. Correct children? These are the prime factors. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Correct children? These are the prime factors. Children, now you want to write here. Suppose you want to write, how you can write children? Very simple. Last one you want to write children. First, what is that? 2 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 5 into 3 into. So these are prime factors because 10 correct children factors of there also 2 comma 5. 9 is the factors of 3 comma 3. You want to write last 2, 5, 3, 3. 1 is the last. You want to write any factors. 1. Children. Suppose you want to take children big number means. So how you can find? 980 is there children. How do you want to write the prime numbers, prime factors? Want to divide children. 2 4 the 8 and 18 is there. 2 9 the 18. Correct children? Right has it is 0. Children next. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, and 2 5s are. Correct children? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 10 is there, 2 5s are. Children, this 45 cannot divisible with 2 and 3. So children, now you want to take here 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45. So next you want to write 7 7 are 49. What are the prime factors of? Then also 980 means you want to write here 2 2 5 7 7. 2 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 7. These are the prime factors of 980 children. Any doubt children here? No doubt. Children, next we want to discuss about that highest common factor or HCF. What is that children? Next we want to discuss about that HCF or highest common factor. Correct children? Can you understand this one? Suppose children you want to take 20, 28 and 36. 20, 28 and 36. How we can find highest common factor children? 28 and 36. Children, you want to divide. 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10, and 5 ones are. Children, now you want to write here. 2 ones are 2 fours, 2 sevens are and 7. Children, next you want to write here. 2 ones are and 2 eights are. So 2 nines are. Next 3 threes are. Children, write the factors here. 2 into 5 into 1. Here also you want to write 2 into 7 into 1. Here also you want to write 2 into 3 into 3. See children, here we commonly have 2 into 2. Here also commonly have 2 into 2. Here we commonly having numbers you want to take highest common factor. Common factors only, highest common factor. So see children, SCF is equal to, how we can write here? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to how much children? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Correct children? This is over children. Children, next you want to take LCM. That is least common multiple children. This is over children. Next you want to take LCM children. Children, is very easy. So now you want to find 3 and 4. Yes, correct children. How we can find 3 and 4? See children, here 3 is there. That's why you want to multiply as 3. 1s are 3, 4 right as it is. Children, here 4 is there. You want to multiply as 1s are 1s are. So children, now you want to multiply this one. 3 into 4 into 1 into 1. LCM is equal to how much children? 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12. LCM is equal to 12 children. Children, suppose you want to take another numbers 24 and 90. 24 and 90 means you want to take children. LCM how? Same like that only. Here 24, here 90. First you want to divide children. Correct children? How you can find? Then also easy. 2 12s are. So 2 45s are. Children, next you want to write 2 6s are. 45 cannot cancel with 2. That's why write as it is 45. And so next 2 3s are. 45 cannot cancel with 2. Write as it is. Children, next you want to take 3. 3 1s are. 3 15s are. Correct children? Children, next you want to take here also 15 1s are 15. Correct children? This is over. So children, now you want to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 15 is the LCM. LCM is equal to, you want to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 15. Correct children? 3 into 15. Any doubt children here? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So 15 3 is a 45. Children, now you want to multiply. LCM is equal to 8 5 is a 40. Carry 4. 8 4 is a 32 plus 4 is 36. 360. This is least common multiple. So children, least common multiple means 360. Correct children? You can understood this one. Children, next class we can discuss about the exercise solutions. So this is introduction is over children. Thank you children.